Hello friends, welcome to this introductory video on this course which is titled Entire Global Digital Marketing Certification in One Crash Course. I am Dr. Vijesh Jain. I will tell you something about this course in this video. So friends, I do not claim to ever have met Jeff Bezos or Mark Zuckerberg. They are very big people. But I definitely claim to have met several small time digital marketers, entrepreneurs, professionals who really made it great for themselves and for their companies in my last 30 years of work experience. So I will tell you what is my recipe in this course. My recipe in this course comprises of a deadly mix of theory and practice both. Many people claim that a course can be learned without theory. Talking about the practices, case studies, and the experiences, I feel that it is not possible at all. You cannot create a world-class learning experience without theory. So you need a proper mix of theory and practice both. So what is the point, friends? What is the point? The point is, what is more important? So what do you think is more important? Is it the learning how to do it, or is it learning what to do? Now that question has to be answered. What is more important? So friends, this particular video which you are seeing right now, this itself is a good example of what is required in digital marketing. So this is a practice. But how this video has been formed, what is the idea behind this video, what is the content of this video, who is the target of this video, how this video has been framed, what are the components of this video, and very important, why this video is required in a course like this. So, you really need to understand the background. You really need to understand the theory behind it. Then only you can talk about the practice. So what all is involved in this course is, what is global e-business? Okay, so first you have to understand what is the global e-business, what is the meaning of global e-business. So we are not only talking about the definition, we are talking about the basic concepts, the background, what have formed this global e-business, why global e-business is there, what is the nature and the scope of global e-business. So all these things has to be learned. Then what is global marketing? We know what is marketing, we know what is global marketing, and what is the global digital marketing. So these things we have to learn. We have to understand the basic concepts behind it. What are the dimensions of global e-marketing? So these things has to be understood before we can go for practice. And then how to interpret and understand the global business environment within which this game has to be played. You have to understand this environment. And then how to set up your global e-business. What are the steps involved? Why those steps are involved? So that basic learning, minimum learning is required in order to understand all the concepts. And then how to create a global business e-commerce site, website, where to find the domains, how to find the domains, what type of hosting service is required, why it is required, what is the background behind this, where to find the platform for hosting the website, what is the software required, why that software is required, what is the cost involved, can we do things without investing any money, because initially we don't have money to start the business. And then finally, how to promote your business, what is the background of this promotion, what kind of approach is required, digital platforms, social media platforms, your presence there, what is your personality, what is your aim on the platforms, how people see you, that approach has to be understood. That is more important. How to do it is, you can find out. So what is here is what to do, that is more important. How to do is easy to find out. On platforms like YouTube, you'll find hundreds and thousands of videos on how to do SEO, how to create meta tags, how to build links in your website. Those kind of videos are plenty available. But the question is, what and where to find these videos and why to find these videos. That is very important to understand. So the basic approach of this course is to make you understand that part. So what is my aim when I'm creating this course? My aim is that you learn smoothly, conveniently, easily, and then you are able to earn in global digital marketing. So with this course, you can confidently appear in digital marketing roles related interviews or undertake digital marketing profiles in your existing jobs. You can do that. Or you can start your own digital business, global digital business, or you can start selling your existing products in your business in the international market, or locally, or in the regional market, or in your own country. You can do that. So what is required are your sincere efforts to learn at least 1 hour a day for 8 weeks in this crash course, and your job is done. That is my idea of creating this course, and that is my philosophy behind creating this course. What is special about this course? What are the special things we have brought in this course? This course comprises of a total of 10 hours of video feeds. Almost 50-55 videos are there. In totality, it becomes 10 hours of video feed. Then it has got monologues, textual concepts, quizzes, assignments during the course. Most of the assignments are self-assessment assignments and quizzes, but we have the record of all this, and we can send you this full graded record to you on request. But what you will get is the verified eBizee certificate of completion of this course that you will get. And then in this course, you have additional resources or links or attachments are there, which we expect you to see and learn. It may not be necessary, it may not be mandatory, but if you learn, your understanding will be even better. So it's a two-way things, that I want something to teach you and you want to learn something. This mix of your intention and my intention can create that magic learning, and that create your magic career. It is possible. So it's a self-paced, anytime, anywhere e-learning experience. And this course has been made in such a way, the technology used here is desktop friendly, tablet friendly, and mobile friendly. So the course has been designed in such a way that you can use any devices to learn this course. And then this course also has self-learning project ideas. We will tell you what kind of projects you should do. You can give a feedback also. There is a feedback on the project which you do within the course. And then of course you have verified eBizee certificate of completion. Then the course comes with top multimedia online learning experience. And very, very important, to protect you and your privacy, we are using the latest technology of super fast SSD based hosting servers, which are fully encrypted and secure for enhanced and smooth learning experience and for your protection. So these are very, very important features when you undertake this course. All this has been brought eBizee Institute of IB and Entrepreneurship LLP New Delhi. All these features has been brought for your benefit at very affordable prices. You pay less, you learn more. All the best. Thank you. Please enroll today.